Apple beefs up smartphone services in the silent war against Google. I didn't know there was a silent war going on. It was too quiet. Silent. So this is the first I've heard about it. Apparently, Ars Technica, they can hear the silent war. They have the right ears for it. Apple has enhanced map search and online advertising on iOS to challenge its rival Android. Well, they're sitting there saying, what do you think you can do with smartphone? You can do gadgets and hardware and software. Well, guess what we can do? We can do maps and search and online advertising. It's not so hard, is it?
No.
I don't know. Maybe it is. I got the little bit of audio turned on in this iPad over
I know.
here.
I thought it was
Did you
me.
hear that? You thought it was you.
I was freaking out.
You thought it was you're like,
How dare
wait
you.
a second. Is this some feedback loop over here? I'm supposed to be the producer. I'm supposed to be listening for these things. So your ears actually are tuned up today. Is that right?
Barely. Jeez.
You got the ears going. You got the yellow mug. Look at you. You're just
Cheers.
an absolute beauty on a day like today, aren't you? Unbelievable. I never actually saw you like this before. I've seen many different versions of you. You know, I'm not saying I haven't seen a version of you that's been very, satisfied. I've seen that, but it's a combination of things right now that's going on for you.
Yeah. I mean, it's a good day. Wednesdays are usually,
Is that your day?
yeah, it's my day.
It's your day. Okay, Silent War, they say we can do anything you can do, we can do too, although Siri probably begs to differ, but who knows, maybe they'll just put 10 billion at a Chat GPT like company. They'll be like, just take this Siri from us and figure that out. But Maps, on the other hand, you've seen how aggressive they've been. That's just Jack carrying a dog through the scene.
So,
You couldn't find the dog.
yeah, she was lost in there.
Yeah, she was lost. Like once the door closes, she
Oh, you had to go actually retrieve the dog. Yeah, well, good job. Good work. All is well, everybody. I know you're very concerned. All is well. He found the dog. It's a big place here. And it's a big place, and that's a small dog. They don't get much smaller, and places don't get much bigger. So if you misplace that dog in this space,
Death.
Godspeed.
Oh, not death. But
Yeah, easy.
luck.
Will, geez, man. Escalation over there. The two Silicon Valley giants have been rivals in the smartphone market since Google acquired and popularized the Android operating system we already know about. Now, Apple, on the other hand, has mostly been known as the hardware company making all the beautiful gadgets, but obviously, increasingly, they're working towards this services side because, well, I mean, it helps you become more robust as a company and rely less on strictly hardware-based revenues. And it's also recurring revenues when it comes to services, whether it's cloud-based services or advertising model or whatever it happens to be. So this helps them become more robust and diversified. Google's going to be a tough competitor in this space. And I don't know about you, like I've been mostly a Google Maps user as an example, a Google Assistant user. I would say probably it's software that draws me when it comes to my mobile device. It's some of those software enhancements on Android with via things like Maps and Assistant. They keep me coming back for more. So if Apple can nail this stuff, I think it could be a huge improvement and a huge component in people's decision making. I know Kirk, for example, says he loves Apple Maps. I don't know. Maybe people can let me know here. Let me know in the comments here. Are you taking a crack at taking a shot at Apple Maps and Apple's other variety of services? I've used Apple Music on and off. But then I go back to the likes of Spotify or YouTube Music in most cases. I think I canceled my Apple Music. It was mostly an experiment with the watch and stuff that I was using it. So, but anyway, you guys let me know. Which Apple services are you paying for and why, and how do you feel they compare to the other services available?